Good morning, dear students. Welcome to EduStar's online class. You're watching Class 4 Science. Today we will see Lesson 6 Teeth and Dental Care. Before we start the lesson, we have a small recap of Part 1. What we have learnt in Part 1 about teeth. Teeth are very important part of our body. Teeth give shape to our face, help us to bite and chew food, help us to speak clearly. Sets of teeth. By the age of 3, a child has a set of 20 teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. By the age of 6, a child starts losing the milk teeth one by one. As the milk teeth fall, new teeth grow in their places from the gums. This new set of teeth is called permanent teeth. Every adult usually has a set of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. The upper and lower jaws have identical kinds of teeth. If you lose any tooth from the set of permanent teeth, you will not get a new one in its place. Kinds of teeth. There are 4 kinds of permanent teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. What is incisors? The 4 front teeth in each jaw are incisors. They have sharp straight edges. They are used for cutting and biting food. They are also called cutting teeth. The next one, canines. There are 2 canines in each jaw. They are present on either side of the incisors in each jaw. They are very sharp and pointed. They help tear the food. For this reason, they are called tearing teeth. They are sharper and bigger in flesh-eating animals. The next one, premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. They are next to the canines. They are broad and flat. These teeth help us to crack and crush the food like nuts. They are also called cracking teeth. The last one is molars. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They are next to the premolars. They are bigger and broader than premolars. They help grind the food. They are also called grinding teeth. Premolars and molars are well developed in plant-eating animals and help them to chew and grind their food well. The next one, structure of a tooth. When we open our mouth and look in the mirror, we can see our teeth. The soft gums hold our teeth tightly at their places. Each tooth has 2 parts, crown and root. The part of the tooth that we see is called crown and the part of inside the gum is root. The outside white covering of the tooth is called enamel. This is the hardest material in the human body. The layer inside the enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth is called dentine. The center of a tooth is called pulp. It lies inside the dentine. This is soft and has blood vessels and nerves. Now we will see part 2. Here we are going to discuss about tooth care and book exercise. Let's begin. Care of teeth. When we eat food, tiny food particles get stuck to the surface of the teeth and also in the space between them. If these food particles are not removed regularly, germs start growing in this area. These germs first attack the enamel of the tooth and make a hole in the tooth is called cavity. then the dentine, and finally move into the bulb. Eventually, the germs attack the nerves, resulting in toothache. Sometimes people lose their entire set of teeth and wear artificial teeth is called dentures. Here are a few ways by which you can keep your teeth clean and healthy. First point, brush your teeth properly in the morning and at night before going to bed. Moving your toothbrush upwards and downwards in a circular motion is the right way to brush your teeth. You should brush the inner and outer surface of teeth and also on sides of teeth. The next one, gargle and rinse your mouth after every meal. Use a mouthwash and dental floss if possible. What is floss? Floss are tooth. Many of us get cavities even when we brush regularly and properly. This is because we do not floss our teeth. Flossing removes food particles stuck between the teeth and cannot be removed by brushing. A dental floss is a piece of string that is moved back and forth through the space between our teeth. We should floss our teeth every day. Avoid eating too many candies and chocolates. The germs present inside our mouth love sugar. The longer sugary food stays in our mouth, the more damage it causes. So, we should not eat too many toffees, chocolates, and other food items that contains a lot of sugar. We should also brush our teeth after we have eaten sweets. Visit a dentist. Prevention is better than cure. Visit a dentist once in 6 months to get teeth checked. This way, small problems can be treated immediately before they become big. For example, a small cavity can be filled up before it affects a whole teeth. Teeth that are not kept clean get covered with a yellow substance called tartar. This can be removed by dentist. We should have milk and milk product daily. They have calcium that makes our teeth strong. We should eat raw vegetables and fruits like carrots and apples. They make us germs and teeth strong. Here we have some points to remember from this lesson. Teeth help us to chew food, give shape to our face, and speak clearly. Teeth are meant to last a lifetime and are made of a strong substance called apatite. It is coated with enamel. There are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Each has a separate function. Human beings get 2 sets of teeth in a lifetime, a temporary set of 20 teeth and then a set of 32 permanent teeth. Brushing, flossing, eating right food and regular visits to the dentist can help teeth to last a lifetime. Here we have some keywords. What is milk teeth? Temporary set of teeth during childhood is called milk teeth. What is incisors? Incisors is also called cutting teeth. Canines are called tearing teeth. Premolars are called cracking and grinding teeth. What is molars? Molars are chewing food. Crown. The visible part of the tooth above the gum is called crown. The hard, white outer covering of a tooth. What is dentine? The part of the teeth found below the enamel is called dentine. The soft part of the tooth that has blood vessels and nerves inside it. What is cavity? A hole in the tooth is called cavity. Denture. An artificial set of teeth is called denture. Dental floss. A piece of string that is moved between spaces of teeth to clean them. Next, we will see book exercise. Students, all of you take your science book and open page number 50. Here you have filling the blanks. We will discuss the answer for these questions. First one, teeth are made of a hard substance is called apatite. Second one, these are artificial set of teeth. Dentures are called artificial set of teeth. Molars help in chew and grind food. Fourth one, dash help to crack down hard food. That is called canines. The center of each tooth is called bulb. Above the bulb and below the enamel is the dentine. Uppermost part of the tooth, which is visible in the hard white, is called enamel. The part of the tooth inside the gum that holds the tooth in the jaw is called root. Second one, all these statements are false. Change the highlighted words to make true sentence. We need to take off the highlighted words and we need to put a suitable word to make the sentence as true. Okay, students? First one, the primary function of teeth is to help us smile. So here the highlighted word is smile. So the answer is the primary function of teeth is to help bite and chew our food. Second one, incisors are at the back of the mouth. Is it correct? Where is the incisors? The incisors are front of the mouth. Understand? Third one, canines help to grind the food. So here the highlighted word is canines. What is the correct answer? Molars. Fourth one, a hygienist is the specialist for teeth. Is that correct? What is that? Dentist. Premolars are present in the front of each jaw. Which one is the correct answer? The answer is back of each jaw. Sixth one, incisors are well developed in flesh-eating animals. Which one is the correct answer? Canines are well developed in flesh-eating animals. Next one, look at the pictures of various kinds of teeth. Identify what kind of teeth each is. First one, what is the first one? That is called molar. Second one is called canine. Third one, incisors. Fourth ones are premolar. The next one is in page number 51. Draw a structure of a tooth and label its various parts. Here you have a diagram. See the picture and draw it neatly in your book and label the parts. Okay, students? Thank you, students. Have a good day.